Hit me with the usual, sweetheart. Coming right up. Well, if it ain't Mr. Ring-a-Ding. Well, you've been stirring up quite a scene, huh? That's showbiz, toots. Gotta sing, gotta swing, gotta razzle the masses. Well, it's working. You're on the paper front page. Full of pizzazz. Geez, you and that tall girl got the whole town buzzing. What do you know? Ding Dong Duo hits the high note, huh? Spotlights, headlines, the whole shebang. With little help from Miss Bell-Chime, of course. So, what's the deal, Ring? You two a duet or a duet? Oh, don't be ridiculous. It's strictly business, professional, to a T, you hear? Sure. And I suppose your face turns pink from heat lumps, huh? Now, hold on. Face it, Romeo, you've gone soft, lost your mojo, ain't made a move, a wink, or even a whistle. You're sitting in all that charm and letting it rust. It's a shame, really. Perhaps you're scared stiff she'll turn you into butter with one smile. Scared? Me? Don't make me laugh. I invented charm, patented flirtin'. I'm gonna march right over to Miss Bell-Chime, sweep her off her feet, and have her swing like the swing band July. And that's a promise. What did you do? What I had to.